PowerBang, you motherfucker!
Well, I guess if you get to kill him, then you'd be doing okay then, huh?
Yeah.
You should ask Lizzie about PowerBang when we played early on. It's hilarious.
Really?
He was on the flight and I was calling him out. Then I think I got killed by PowerBang later on.
3 above us. To the left.
Enemies ahead.
I was gonna say, I thought I heard someone.
Enemies ahead.
Oh shit.
What?
Fell off the building. No ammo. Oh shit, someone's here.
Where you at?
Where I am.
Oh, motherfucker.
And I have no gun.
Then get the fuck out of there, dude.
Scar has such a weird fucking iron sight.
Which one?
Scar.
Yeah. That's what I've got 2 right now. Scar and a fucking Winchester.
Scar and an M1.
I can have a Winchester but no goddamn ammo.
Enemies ahead. Enemies ahead.
Okay, I better heal again. Damn it.
I got supplies.
600 meters to go. Careful, there was, I hear someone. Across the way. Yeah, those guys that were...
The one that just walked in on me?
Oh, I don't know.
Yeah.
Did he come from, the south? Oh, big red zone. Everyone got verticals and whatnot.
I got supplies.
Fuck no, I got nothing. I got frickin'...
There's a VSS. Here, there's a vertical right here, man.
Search
There's
for
marks.
vehicles.
Oh, in that room.
Yeah.
Okay.
You say he jumped down onto
Yeah.
the ground?
He's up on the top floor of the one beside it. He's down.
Here we go.
Oh,
But-
he's got a buddy up there.
Enemies ahead.
There's a
Yep.
plank across to the other building.
Yeah. That's how we got to get over there.
What's the fucking...
Whoops. God damn. 4 times over. That was scary. That you guys were with me.
I was going over the other side. I need 5.56.
This dude didn't have nothing. Where's the guy you knocked?
I guess I don't know. Maybe that was... I don't know.
Well, I mean, it said you knocked him.
Yep.
He must have jumped off. Need a vehicle. There's a 762.
Got lots of that.
Oh boy.
Oh, still someone shooting. Anybody at it?
Enemies ahead. Enemies ahead.
Come on, Tom. I thought I saw a truck over by those little buildings.
There's another drop up where Cal just said enemies.
Enemies ahead.
So crate up there, crate to the right. Oh, there's a guy coming down the hill.
There's a
Enemies
car.
ahead.
Car over there.
Holy shit. Oh shit.
What happened?
Down. I'm getting shot from up on that hill. I am dead.
This hill?
Enemies ahead.
Yeah. There's at least 2 guys up there.
There's a car right there.
Yeah. It was more to the right by the crate. Guy had an SLR.
What do you think, Cal? Did we take?
Oh, there goes a car into the...
Oh wow.
Nice. I made the zone. My crate's right behind Cal.
Oh no, I'm
No.
dead.
No, should have kept going.
It wouldn't matter, man.
Cal's got all my good stuff. Just waiting for me to die, weren't you, Cal? There is an extended mag there for that.
That's probably my last game.
Yeah, those guys going up the hill distracted them.
Hell yeah. Holy shit. Is it 1 verse 1 verse 2?
I think so. Yep. Go to the right.
Oh boy. There's a guy clear over there. Making my head spin.
Oh shit, huh? Oh, there he is. There he is, right there. Nice.
Son of a bitch. Wow.
Fuck hell, that was art, dude. I should have recorded that.